Hi guys, welcome to Tekia. So today we will see how to create a YouTube thumbnail for your YouTube videos because only if a YouTube thumbnail looks good, you will be able to catch a lot of viewers. It must not be a clickbait, but you must bring out what you're trying to present in your video in the best efficient way. Although when you upload a video, YouTube provides some default thumbnails, but there are many websites and softwares which help you to create custom thumbnails. Although softwares are better than these websites, but software require a license. But the website which I'm going to tell you now is completely free, but although they have a paid version. So let's get into it. We are going to discuss the top three websites here. So let's discuss one by one. Moving on to number 3, we have Canva.com. So Canva.com is a good website for creating your thumbnails. There are a lot of templates available. You can upload your own image and set it as the background and save it. You can modify the dimensions and save it. So as you can see, it's not only for creating YouTube thumbnail. You can create a lot of things like Instagram post, presentation, poster, video, and a lot more. So there are a lot of options available. There are default thumbnails also available here. You can select one and go for it. So once you go to this Canva.com website, you'll be able to see option create a design. Click it. Now if you want to create custom dimensions, that is if you want to create 4K 4K thumbnail or 2K thumbnail or any small thumbnail, you can change select the custom dimension. Or there are options like for video, poster, presentation, Instagram post, logo, and Facebook post. Here we are selecting video. See, there are a lot of templates available here. We can choose a template based on our wish. If you have a gaming channel or a review channel, you can select a template based on your requirement. You can change it as per your wish. I'm going to type it as YouTube thumbnail, and you can expand it so that thumbnail comes a single thing, and you can change the size as well. You can even change the image as per your requirement. So I am gonna select this image and drop it here. And paste this image over here. You can even change the size as well. Then you can give download. See, the YouTube thumbnail is ready. Let's check the thumbnail. That's it, guys. So this is a video thumbnail. So you can if you want an image thumbnail, you can select it as well. So moving on to number 2, we have Snapper.com. So here you can either choose the size here as well as the last website, or you can directly select YouTube thumbnail. So there are a lot of templates. So if you create from scratch, you're supposed to upload it. So I'm going to show you a sample one. You can change this as per your wish. YouTube, and you can reduce the size as well. then give download. The download is completed. See, the quality is perfect. Moving on to number one. Number one is my favorite. I use it personally because there are a lot of options available and the clarity is much better than these two websites. So I mostly prefer the website which I'm gonna tell you now. So moving on to number one, we have bannersnack.com. So this is the best website for creating YouTube thumbnails. So there are a lot of templates available, and you can choose a default template, or you can choose a default color background and give text and images as per your requirement. So there are options like start from blank, review. There are a lot of options available here. So I'm gonna select a default background color. Then I'm going to select text over here, add heading. There are even default text templates over here, you can select that if you want. YouTube thumbnail. For your video. If you don't like this color for this text, you can always change it. You can even increase the boldness of the text, increase the font style of the text, and a lot more. Now we are selecting some images like this. So you can make it big, you can rotate it. A lot of options are available here. So you can straight away go for this. There are a lot of options available. You can give max. And that's it guys, your download is complete. I'm opening it now. See, there's no branding here, just the thumbnail which we create. So guys, you can choose any thumbnail creator you want out of this three based on your requirement. There are a lot of other websites, but those websites may have ads and it may be irritating. But these three websites don't have any ads or pop-ups, and which it is very user friendly to use. So straight away go for these three websites. So if you like this video guys, just give a like, push the subscribe button down there, and please comment anything you like, or if you want me to do any other video you can comment down there. So bye guys, bye for now.